Hey, hi friends. I'm live now. You guys can come and you can shoot your questions, guys. Hey, hello, Yogesh. Thank you for joining the session, guys. I can see the participants are start joining the session. So, guys, I'm going to wait for another 5 minutes so that you guys can come online, right? And you can ask your questions. So, I'll be on mute for a few minutes, guys. And guys, let me tell you that straightforward to you that please don't spam this chat box or this live session, right? Because there are some genuine questions which I have missed, right? So if you have question, then please ask once. I'm going to address each and every questions of your. Don't worry about that one. And only my subscriber can send messages, right? So yeah, welcome everyone to this live session of 24th live session of Engineer Abhishek Roshan channel. Guys, you are most welcome. And there are few things before starting the live session, guys, that I am requesting all of you that please go ahead and subscribe my channel, guys. It's a complaint from my side because I am putting all my efforts, right? All of you know that I am putting my days and night only for you guys, but I am not getting enough amount of support from you guys. That most of you are not subscribing the channel, guys, right? So please, right? So just go ahead and subscribe the channel, guys. That is what a request I can do, right? So you guys can only support me. I need your support. Without your support, nobody, obviously because of you only I have reached to till here, right? So I totally appreciate you guys, right? So I request all of you that please subscribe more and more Engineer Abhishek Roshan channel, guys, so that I can come up with more and more videos for you, right? So this you can do it. It's hardly take seconds to subscribe that button. It's not going to ask you any money for that one, right? So that is one request I can do it, and you guys can fulfill at least, right? That is what I am expecting from you. At least you guys will subscribe, then obviously both of us can grow, guys, right? So this is one thing. Another thing, before I'll start taking the question, guys, I wanted to discuss in front of you that see, 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp is one of the unique course among entire YouTube, or in the entire, I would say, uh, this wherever you can check on any of the platform, guys, where you are not going to find out complete Linux administration, complete shell scripting, complete cloud, right? That is AWS, complete automation tool, complete monitoring tool, complete DevOps and DevOps tools, guys, and migration project. So I am going to upload each and every video, and that it will be uploaded by mid of November. Everything will be uploaded. Till now, I have uploaded almost till AWS. Going forward, as soon as the live batches will be finishes, those recorded videos I am keep on uploading to my platform, that to my website only, Abhishek Roshan, right? abhishekroshan.com. So, and one more thing, guys, since all of you know that I am giving so many services free of cost within that 999 price, guys, right? So that is a golden opportunity for all of you, right, guys? And nobody is going to give mock interview support, or you can understand, right? And at the same time, resume preparation support, or career counseling support, or a referral support also to our organization, 24 into 7 video support with lifetime access and all, right? And it includes all real time projects and all, right? So you guys can go ahead and start buy the course, because the offer is going on, guys. And you also know the offer is going to end right soon, by 12th of October, guys, right? Till the Sahara only this offer is there. And one more thing, I you can I'm just pasted the link over here. in triple nine. And there is also one important point I just wanted to discuss over here is that, so we are here for your support, sir, which help you grow with you. Yeah, definitely technical. I can understand, guys. I need your support, because one thing only I want from you guys, that please spread this channel to everyone, right? Nothing else I am requesting from you guys. Okay, nothing else I am requesting, that please share more and more the kind of effort I am putting for you guys. At the same time, you also know, when in the market for DevOps only people are charging so much of, but I am putting all the content into a single course, 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. And you also know nothing comes free, guys, right? Even if you people, like, I have seen that people have given the money, they go to gym, and they have given so much of money, but they don't go to gym, right? So this is just an example. When, until unless if you have a liability, whether you are spending a single penny or if you are spending 1 lakh also, nothing is going to work out until unless you should be focused. And when you will be focused, you should be able to learn, and when you will be able to learn, you should be able to grow, guys, right? And when you will be able to grow, you are going to get the wealth. That is the main thing. So anyways, I'll start taking the questions, guys. But again, I am telling you, till 12th of October, okay, the offer is available, or that offer and that services what I have just told now, it's only going to be only for 500 candidates, okay, 500 students, you can understand. So kind of real time content. So my all, and guys, again I am telling you, please don't ask the same question, Mr. Ayan. I request you that if you have a question, please remove your rest of the delete, please. I especially instructed, this is a ground rule for my live session, so that I should be able to answer each and every question. I am not like others who will take only 4 to 5 question and then just go off from this live session. So I'll finish your each and every one question, and then only I'll yeah, I'll go off from this live session, guys. Okay. So if you have any question, you ask. I'm ready to take your question, guys. Okay. So okay, so guys, let me start taking the question. But I have pasted the link. Whoever wants to buy that 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, please go ahead and buy that course now immediately. That is important, right? Because 12th of October is the last date of that offer, and the services will be only applicable for first 500 candidates, guys, which I am giving as of now completely free. Whether it's a mock interview, whether it's a career counseling, whether it's your resume preparation or a referral, right? Or you can say 24 into 7 video support, lifetime access and all, right? Fine. So I can start with Yogesh. Hey, hello, Yogesh. Thank you for joining this session. Chandu Kumar, what is the difference between SCSI and NFS? See, Chandu, very honestly to you, see, SCSI is a disk, okay? SCSI, like SDA will be, SATA disk will be there, basically, right? And there are different types of, when you do a partition, when you log into a VMware, okay? And when you create a virtual machine, guys, right? I'll show you a straightforward example of this one. Let me know if you guys are my VMware is on or not. I should have able to show you. But for quickly, if I have to answer, see, network file system or a network file sharing is something, if you wanted to share a file between two Linux machine, or between two Unix machine, or between Linux and Unix machine, Chandu, then you can use a network file system or network file sharing. Like NFS share, you can understand from it. You can go through my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp also, and there is in my channel also, Chandu, I have uploaded a video of complete NFS, okay, which you can go through now. And let me paste the link over here. 1 second. So it's under real time projects, Chandu. Okay. So Linux server, this Linux server, let me share my screen. Let me know if you guys are able to see my screen. Please let me know. Uh, Are you guys able to see my screen? Are you guys able to see my screen? Say yes or no, guys. Okay, fine. So see here, one second, I'll take you. So these are the video. There is a playlist. Go in my channel, Linux server real time projects and troubleshooting. Chandu, if you go there, FTP is there, and you can see the NFS. Okay, this is a mount fail. Okay, so this is there, and 100 days of few videos I have uploaded, as I said, because of active community guideline. Obviously that course is something of my live classes, so I cannot upload to YouTube. So there are few videos which is uploaded in my 100 days of IT corporate boot camp. You can see here only few of the videos I have uploaded over here, Chandu. So here, if you, I'll scroll down at last, where real time CID and all. One second. Yeah. Okay. So it is not here. If you wanted to learn in depth, Chandu, it is in my course only. Okay. In my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, just go to my website. Okay. And here I have logged in through a candidate ID. So just to show you guys. So here, just click on, this is the offer going on, guys. 999. Please go with this one. In this, if you go to this one, Chandu, just to let you know, if you go to the course content, you can see here, uh see, there are almost 70 videos, and there are almost another 80 videos is coming soon, because I have started uploading the AWS also. After that, the DevOps video will be, I'll start uploading. So this is one of the unique course in entire YouTube, and in entire course of, I would say, any website. Nobody has put entire Linux, entire shell scripting, entire AWS, entire DevOps, entire automation tool, or entire monitoring tool and migration project. So in that sequence, see, I have already uploaded Linux. So here, Chandu, you can see related to videos related to NFS, right? What is NFS, how to configure NFS server, all real-time projects related to NFS. Okay, so you can go here, Samba server, DNS server, everything is there. And when you are talk about ISCSI is a disk type only, like SATA disk will be there, /dave/dave/sda. Okay, that is a kind of a SATA disk. Okay, ISCSI disk will be there. But NFS is a network file sharing, which is used to share a file between two Linux machine, two Unix machine, or between a Linux and Unix machine. You cannot share between a Windows machine. This is the major difference, right? Chandu, I hope you got my answer. You can see, and in this one, in my course only, disk partition is there. Okay, in that one you can go through how to create a partition with ISCSI disk and all. Everything I have explained with real time projects and all. Guys, you can see these many videos. Nobody will do it like this much content. Who will give you with 999 plus mock interview, plus career counseling, plus resume preparation, plus your referral also, I am happy, ready to give you. Plus again, I am telling you that these videos are 24 into 7 lifetime access. You can see, this is not, it is written here only, correct? Right? So nobody is giving, and it is only applicable for first 500 candidates. So please go ahead and buy this course, guys. Right? You can see some reviews also. Okay, candidates now, they are getting jobs already. They started getting jobs after doing this course. So this is one of the unique course in entire, not only YouTube. Means you can go ahead and you are not going to find out. I am not sure, because the prices and all, everything is decided by the platform team, but I have asked them to keep it very low, because I know my candidates, by looking, knowing your financial conditions and all. So I want the content to reach out to each and everyone, right? So I hope I have able to give your answer, Chandu. Okay, Chandu sir, please explain how to write Ansible. See again, Chandu, this is something which you are asking me to take a class, and this session is more of a career counseling, right? So please, if you wanted to learn more about this one and all, please, either you can join my course, or you can join my channel membership also. I am ready to help you, okay, to your every query and every questions, right? So let me move on to the next question, guys. Ajay John, thank you for your support, sir. How to join the live classes? Ayan, see, live classes as of now, there is already batch is going on, that is 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, and that is a very vast course which I am keep on uploading my website, which I have show you just now. Okay, in that only. But thing is that since it takes almost more than 6 months, okay, so there is a no new batch I have started as of now. So now I am going to start a batch of Linux, sorry, my bad, guys. 40 days of IT corporate bootcamp, Ayan. Okay, in that one I am going to cover Linux plus shell scripting completely, but that I am keep on postponing due to some reasons, because I am creating some processes and all. Mostly it's going to be happen this month only, right? Or max to max next month, because I'll be going on leave for some time. Okay, I'll be off for some time from the work, like 1 week or something. So I don't want it to start, because once I'll start something, I'll finish it up within a month or something, Ayan. Okay, so if you wanted to join 40 days of IT corporate bootcamp, soon I am going to publish the link. All of you can join that webinar. That webinar is going to be for 3 days, and that is free of cost. So once you are completely satisfied, then only you go ahead and join my online classes for 40 days of IT corporate bootcamp, guys. So that I am going to publish soon in my community post only. So please keep looking to my community post, and please click on all notification. Have seen that most of you are not. Once you subscribe the channel, guys, click on all notifications, so you are going to get all the latest notification of my channel. Okay, this is a small request. I'm just telling you to do it. Okay, so that is fine. I am hope I am able to answer your question. Let's move on to the next question. Sir, I have completed MA history 2020, but I want to switch my career, become a Linux system admin. Can I get a job in Linux admin in IT domain? Please answer me. Yes, 100%. Aravind, your name is coming as a, you are going to get a job. It doesn't matter. Past also I have told you, when you see a specialization section, when you apply in Naukri, okay, or any of the job portal, you go ahead and you can find out there is a section at the bottom where they are going to mention a specialization or education. Okay, now in front of you only, what is your name? Arvind. To clear your doubt, let me know if you guys are able to see my screen. You see, you will understand. Without data I don't talk anything. You all of you know I am a very authentic person. Okay, so if you go here, yeah, uh, so guys, you can see clearly for this Linux administrator job, right? It's a Fortune Global 500 software product firm. Okay, and you can see what is the education qualification it is asking over here. So they are not asked that you they need a B or B Tech, right? So if they are especially mentioning they need a B or B Tech, okay, so yes, they are looking for a engineer or a B graduate or a B Tech graduate or a M Tech graduate and all. But here what they are looking any graduates. So you please go ahead and you can apply for this job. What is wrong with this one, guys? I did not understand, right? So I've clearly told 90% of the organization. You go here, uh, this is which Accenture only. You can see infra tech support practitioner. Okay, so you see, once you scroll down over here, you can see their what qualification they need it over here, right? You see here, if they are mentioning, see, education, undergraduate, BTech, B, any specialization, at the same time PG, any postgraduate. Correct? So it means you are applicable. Yes or no? Yes or guys, right? Arvind, tell me if I'm wrong, correct? You are applicable, so you are going to get a job. So this is not something I'm talking on the data only. I talk, right? So you are going to get a job, and please follow my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, and then I'll let you know how to prepare the resume. You give your mock interview to me, and my Linux 200 plus interview question and answer, or in my channel Linux 100 plus interview question and answer. You can start preparing from there. There are candidates who are from non-IT domain, Aravind, and they now started getting jobs. Okay, after going through my course. It's not only for the people who are looking for who are a BE or BTech, the people who is from MA can also take a job. It's all about whether you should be able to answer those questions in the interview or not. Okay, so it doesn't matter. You go and see, there is a career counseling also which I have taken of Pavan. He is from finance domain. Okay, he has nothing to do with IT and all. I hope this answer your question. Technical care, are we are there for your support, sir, which helps you to grow with you. Thank you. Technical, please mention your name. Aniket, cell scripting tutorial link upload drop here, sir. Just now, Aniket, I have shown you. If you want to go with complete shell scripting, go with my 100 days of IT corporate boot camp. Okay, that is there. You can see in this one. Just now I have shown you the complete playlist which I have uploaded with all real time projects also. Aniket, go with that one, you are going to get it. Ayan, sir, how to join the live classes? I have already answered your question. Yagami, how is this job market for DevOps, sir? See, again I am telling you, job market of DevOps is very good. Okay, I'm not talking about again. So if I'll talk about how many jobs are available, if straightforward, I am going to give you answer, Yamini. Okay, so how many jobs are there? Okay, for a DevOps engineer. Straightforward, no here if and but and all. Okay, so there are 69,544 jobs are available. You need only one job, right? Wait, okay. So, and how many jobs are available in Bengaluru for a DevOps engineer? 23,555 for this location. Okay, for NCR location, it's 12,030, right? So like this, there are almost you can see now they are offering you work from home also, they are offering remote jobs also, they are offering hybrid jobs also, right? So multiple options are there, Yamini. Okay, so this I'm talking in with some data only, correct? So I hope this clears your doubt. So job market is good, not only for DevOps engineer. I am telling you, whoever is working in this, I call this entire thing again operation and management, and how to reach to this position. That also I have told you, right? You have to take step by step. Okay, so first you need to learn Linux, then you have to learn complete shell scripting for the automation, or Python also you can choose. Then you need to learn your database is also required, right? Then your cloud is required. Then by default automatically, once you are expertise in all these skill set, you will become a good DevOps engineer. Okay, so some DevOps tools will you will learn, right? So I hope this give you find your answer with this one. What is your name? Light Yagami. Okay, sorry, please mention your name properly. Malika Arjun, hi sir, you are doing good job. Number one, share this kind of a real time content. Hats off, waiting for the projects. It's already there, Malika Arjun. I have uploaded so many, and if you want to know more real time projects, then please go with my 100 days of IT corporate boot camp. Ashish, sir, please notify the starting date of 100 days of. Yes, Ashish, I'll do it whenever I'm going to start the new batch for 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp online classes. But if in the meantime, I request, see, always prepare yourself, because I have already uploading those videos only, those recorded videos to my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, who will give you in 999. Okay, so please go with. In the meantime, you can study with that one, and whenever I'll start the online classes, Ashish, you can join that. I'll notify you that one. Okay, sir आप जैस अपने लिनक्स के इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस बनाए हैं, वैसे ही बैश स्क्रिप्टिंग के इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन आंसर कब बनाओगे जिससे स्क्रिप्टिंग अच्छी हो जाए? See, Shivam, I have already uploaded the video of shell scripting also in my channel. Okay, if you are not aware, let me share my screen, Shivam, and once you are able to see, please let me know, Shivam. See, again I am taking you to playlist. Whoever doesn't know, guys, let me know if you are able to see my screen. Let me know. Okay, are you guys able to see my screen? Yes or no? Are you guys able to see my screen? Okay, so guys, answer to Shivam question. I'll take the questions quickly. Shivam Pantri. Okay, Shivam, you see here, I am going. Where is that? Yeah. So Shivam, you see here. So there is a playlist I have already created. Linux shell scripting, Linux networking, Linux Red Hat. Yeah, Shivam, you can see here, this is the playlist. You can see here Linux shell scripting 50 plus real time scenario based interview question and answer. Okay, it is already there. You can see I have uploaded almost 5 videos also. Slowly I am uploading things. I cannot upload everything at once, right? Almost 377 videos I have uploaded. Okay, but still I don't see that much of a subscriber, guys. So it's a request, I need your support. Whoever you know, just spread this channel, because I am providing most authentic real time, everything is a real time troubleshooting. Everything I'm giving you with a authentic data, right? It's not very fancy I do things, but the genuine things I provide in front of you guys. Okay, so Shibam, you can go with this one. This playlist is there, Linux shell scripting 50 plus real time scenario based interview question and answer, right? So this will help you, Shibam. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. How is the job market? I have already answered your question. Arivant sir, I am non-IT to IT Linux system admin possible. I have already given your answer. Sudhir sir, DevOps interview question answer. Yes, it's going to come soon, Sudhir. Don't worry. See, I said I am going with a. This channel is all about complete journey. Okay, it's not only 1 or 2 day channel, right? I am trying to give all. See, you will see nobody, this channel itself is a unique channel. It's going to be, because I am going to make you like that, so you should be able to sustain into IT industry for next 20 years, for 25 years, right? So whenever you are going for a job, so if you are not, it's not like that you should be fit at any position. That is what my aim is, guys. You are like master of one, jack of all. That is what my aim is like. You should not be disappointed when you are going for an interview. No, when you are go for an interview, somebody is asking you, no, I need a cloud engineer role or a different role, so you should be able to fit at that position also, right? So that is what my channel is all about. So I am covering completed most of the thing related to Linux. Now I am jumped into AWS. You can see now I have put almost 3 to 4 5 videos of courses point of view. Now the interview question and answer already it is available in my channel. That is almost like four, yeah, 4 videos are there for AWS 300 plus interview question and answer. Soon that series is going to continue. So it's going to be more and more question into that one. After that, immediately I'll start putting the interview question and answer related to database, which nobody has covered, but I am going to do it. Okay. So that will be there. And the courses also will be related to that one, will be there, right? The discussions will be also will be there, right? What salary you are going to get, right? And what all opportunities you are going to get when you are going with all these skill sets. And then finally the DevOps will be coming into the picture. Sudhir, though I have started with DevOps, but I am not like others who will direct. Again, I have to make your foundation strong, so that you guys should be make sure that you should be able to work as a DevOps engineer also. Okay, so it's not like that. Suppose I can challenge into this one that nobody is going to get the, if he's a fresher, he's going to get a DevOps job directly. Okay, so that I have already answered multiple times why. So guys, hi bro, your opinion on future demand on Azure DevOps. It is there, Viresh. Okay, it is there because when I was in HCL, okay, Viresh, so at that time I have migrated the Jenkins pipeline to Azure DevOps pipeline. Yes, though it is bit costly, Azure is Microsoft products are bit costly, but security point of view they are more secure compared to. But anyways, all the clouds, all cloud service providers are good only. But Azure market is good, Azure DevOps is good. Microsoft is giving so many opportunities nowadays, okay, to do the certifications also. And even uh, uh, they are giving so many offers also, guys. So yes, opportunity is good, Viresh, straightforward to you. And the future market for Azure DevOps is good. But I would suggest you that don't stick only with Azure DevOps. I said something, focus on CI/CD. Okay, that is a pipeline only to build, test, and deploy, Viresh. Okay, so if I talk about configuration management tool, so in configuration management tool, for example, Viresh, Ansible is there, Puppet is there, and Chef is there, right? You also know. So if you will tell no, I what is the future of Ansible? So I would say no, don't focus on a tool specific, just focus on the category. Okay, so if you know how a configuration management tool works, it doesn't matter that whether you are working on Puppet or a Safe or you are working on Ansible. So you should be able to work on all these tools. So just try to get the root, just try to get the main. Okay, because if you see, my experience is that I have already worked a configuration management tool long back ago, before Ansible only. That is HPSA, Hewlett Packard software automation tool. HPSA software automation tool is exactly same. They I have worked very long back ago only, 10 years back only. Okay, so just think of it. So there only I got the what exactly a configuration management tool, and this is why my basics are strong. Now you talk about containerization. From where it's coming? Coming from virtualization. So if you know virtualization, you should be able to understand containerization. Correct? So that is what my point is here, Viresh, for you, is that don't focus on the tool, focus on its main category, how it is, what is its functionality, so that going forward, Ansible is there, tomorrow Sensible is coming. Okay, different tool. Puppet is there, Puppet will. Don't be stick with the tools. Suppose 100 tools are there, so you are going to learn all those tools? No. Correct? So I hope I am able to answer your question. So Siddesh, is there a PDF for Linux interview question? No, obviously not. Those are my real time interview question and answer, Siddesh. Okay, which I have collected during when I was started my career. Okay, at that time. And you are asking, it's not a, I can challenge on that one. You go and find out those questions. People are 99% of the questions are coming from that interview question and answer only. The reason, you know, right? It's not from Chat GPT, Siddesh. I can challenge on that one. 100% you are going to get the job. If you go through that Linux 100 plus interview question and answer and my Linux 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, with confidence I am talking about. Why? Because it is not something I have created. Okay, it is the question which has been asked to me. This is my journey, 13 years of experience those I have collected. Whenever I go for an interview, when I started as a fresher, okay, so I used to, what I used to do, I got rejected. At that time I have written that question. Later on, I came to my home, I start practicing on those things, right? Again, like that, I have started collecting those questions. Siddesh, is that answer? And you are telling that PDF, it's not a PDF. Okay, that is my blood, sweat, and heart, and whatever you say, my entire hard work, it was there. Those questions and answer. And I cannot tell you those companies, otherwise company are going to file a case against me, right? So those questions has been asked. Even the AWS will be like this only, the DevOps questions will be like this only. Those questions only I am asking in my interviews to my DevOps engineer, where when I have to hire a DevOps engineer, because I am a lead DevOps engineer, I have to hire a DevOps engineer for my team, right? So I am asking those questions only. You go and find out, same question has been asked. Now you will see the interviews. You go, the interviews which I'm going to take now in the next week, it is coming for a cloud engineer. Exactly same question has been asked to them in the interviews, Siddesh. So Divya Ranjan, again Divya, your question is not getting calls from Linux job nowadays. Basically, this previous month and this month. Okay. So yes, Divya, very honestly, now this is not the peak time when you are going to get so many calls. As I said very clearly, this is the time you should utilize for your learning. Focus. If you focus, then only you should be able to learn. Please use this next. just take my 100 days of IT corporate boot camp. Okay, whichever role you wanted to go for, or you wanted to go for a Linux admin role, or application support role, or a production support role, or a SRE role, or a platform engineer role, or a DevOps role, or a cloud engineer role. First you focus that what you have to learn, you have to practice, then go with interview question and answer. Come to me, okay Divya, I'll take your mock interview, let me see where you are exactly. So by January you can again start. Guys, why you guys are in so hurry burry? I don't know. You have to spend time to learn. If you are not getting calls and all, see, things are not, it's not only day and day and day, there will be night also, right? So whenever the night, another day will be coming to you, correct? So this is your patience, okay? This is the time when you should learn, you should focus, okay? Utilize those time to practice more and more, because whenever you are going to get the opportunity, you have to utilize that opportunity with your full throttle, with your full extent, with your full knowledge, the skill set which you have. Guys, how much I'm not sure, Joban. Okay, and guys, there is also one announcement I'll tell you, because these comments I have seen many times for my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. Very honestly, I'm telling you, there is nothing hidden. Okay, the course fee for rest of the world is different. There is a reason behind that one, because see, there are multiple parties, because I have hosted my videos into a different platform. The prices and all, everything is decided by the platform team only, right? So, and then finally when a international transaction is involved, so multiple payment gateways has been involved, like Casify uses a PayPal and all, right? Casify doesn't have an international, or even Razorpay also is like that. So they have their own transaction charges and all involved into this one. According to that, the charges will be there for international transaction, that you have to pay, guys. I am not going to pay it from my pocket, okay? They are only charging $5 to $7 for their transaction in between. You only tell me. If I'll keep the price of that, you only tell me, because some of you have asked, sir, why the charge for you our your own country people 999, right? So I said very honestly, because they are my own people, my own country, so they have the domestic transactions, correct? But when you talk about the international transactions, so if I'll keep the price $7 to $8, $8 PayPal only taking $7 to $8. So what a platform is going to get it, and what I am going to get it. So should I pay the course fee from my pocket to you, for you? To all, very honest, I am honest with things, guys. I don't wanted to hide anything. You only tell me, guys, you only tell me, if a person who is connecting from rest of the world, I can give discount, and that is already discounted for you, $39. $300 price is there for that course. But I am giving you guys that course price is almost, it's going to be $39. So it's not a discounted price. You only tell me. So guys, for you, for us, for Indian people, that is what I said. I am very honest that my each and every youth or experience, okay, they should get a job of my country. And since it's a domestic transaction is involved into that one, so I am obviously it's a India, my own country, payments and gateways involved into this one. So they have the charges will be obviously less for them. When the international transaction is involved into that one, right, the charges will be there. So I hope this is clear for you. Whoever is trying to buy, please go ahead and buy it. Whoever is connected from outside the world, sorry, outside India, they can buy the course. Else, the course prices will be more only for rest of the world. Very honestly, I'm telling you. Okay. So, if I am in DevOps, what will be the most asked question? Okay. So if I am in DevOps, what will be the most asked question? The question could be anything, Rahul. Okay. So if you are in a DevOps, okay, obviously they are going to ask you that, have you worked on any kind of a migration project? Have you worked on any kind of a vulnerability remediation, right? The question will be mix of you. Have you worked on Ansible tools and all? Right now, the questions are from those tools only. Have you worked on Kubernetes? Means mostly the questions will be from the tools only, the tool side only. Suppose, have you worked, did you get a, in your environment, okay, what all types of environments are there, how you raise a PR request, what is the workflow of a PR request. I cannot tell you all the questions now only. Okay, Rahul. So Docker will be there, how you log into a container, right? So these are the there are so many questions. It's not only Docker or container and Ansible and all, right? How a SSH, how in Ansible, how authentication happens and all, correct? How a SSH work and all. So these things, there are so many questions, Rahul. Okay, that will be coming soon in my channel only. Don't worry about that one. But the course you are going to start accessing soon in my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. Okay, that you can go through my website and you can get it from there. Divya, what will be the price of online classes 40 days? So the online class, the prices is yet not yet decide, Divya. But I am trying to keep it very low for the online classes. It's going to be 10K. Okay, for the online classes, Divya. So Aravind, thank you, sir. Thank you, Aravind. Rahul, sir, is Naukri? I did not understand your question. .com good site? Yes, obviously. Okay. So it's going to be top domain, top level domain. Okay, if you learn DNS server, you will know what do you mean, why we use top level domain, subdomain and all, right? So hello sir, I got shortlisted for the HR round for SRE role in company. So HR told me before that CEO wants to have a call with me. So can you please help me with insight, like what can I expect in the call? Imran, okay, I know. So see the guys, you can see here one example, another. So you are starting getting question only. CEO is not going to ask you much. He just wanted to see you whether you are. So he will test you basically. He's not going to ask you so many technical questions, Imran. He is going to testify you whether you will be loyal to his company or not. So the question will be mostly from that. It's more of a general question will be there, right? Suppose you have already worked with some previous companies, so he'll ask you why you have left those companies, any specific reason. So my suggestion is that Imran, just try to be genuine, okay, and just try to show that you came here to join his company only, and focus towards more towards learning, because every CEO is, okay, there, even their mentality is like that, whether this guy is, he is just came here for money, or whether this guy has an interest. Okay, so it's not only like his company, you are interested in his company, it's more about the technologies that company is using, you are interested into those things, correct? And please don't say and all that, okay, you have leave the company of, see, justify with a genuine answer. This is a straightforward answer to you, Imran. You should be loyal, you should be genuine, answer should be there. Focus more towards your skill sets and all, focus more towards the what you have done in your previous projects and all. Okay, just try to drag him towards more towards the project side, and say that you are interested because of the project, you have liked it a lot. Okay, because you need a project which is more challenging, where you should be able to learn more, correct, where you should be able to grow more, the chances of growth is more, right, the chances of learning is more. That is what. So those things, I hope it is clear for you, Imran. Okay, Divya, I have answer. So technical agree sir, I have searched the job seeker website, vacancies are there. I will share with my friends to join the course Linux DevOps Sales Scripting AWS, which will help them to. Thank you technical, please share, guys, please refer this my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp to everyone. Please help everyone, because you also know with this price and all these services nobody is going to give, and I am only going to give for first 500 candidates. But you can also understand, if I have to give more than so many peoples will be enrolled with all these services, when I'll be getting time to take their mock interview, because if I have mentioned something, so I am going to fulfill that one. Okay, so you can schedule your career counseling with me one to one, everybody whoever is going to join now, for first 500 candidates. Sir, I can't understand LVM disk related videos, Sanav Rao. Okay, if you have any doubts, Sanav, have you joined my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp? Please go ahead and join my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, and in the dashboard only you can ask, you can shoot your question, I'll clear your doubts, Sanav. Okay, Siddesh, yes sir, it's visible. Okay, Sarat sir, hi sir, I have overall 6 years of experience into IT. I have worked in AWS application support. Now I am trying to switch to DevOps. Even I, in internal of company, they are asking for experience. I know. I have told you, go and see all of my previous. See, it's not like that. They need that. See, it's not, because DevOps role itself is a very vast. I have worked as a DevOps engineer. Then I have moved to a senior DevOps engineer, then lead DevOps engineer, and now I am handling a team of DevOps and Dev team. So you can understand from where I am coming. So you should get a good amount of experience, because your troubleshooting skills should be at a very good level, guys, as that only comes when you are going to get expertise into Linux, to shell scripting, to database, and to your cloud. Okay, so Viresh, so what are the top pillars, top four pillars of both any cloud and DevOps tools? Just now I have given you the answer, Viresh. Okay, so Anish Dongre, hi sir, for system admin job role, it's compulsory to know the Microsoft 365 tool. No, doesn't matter. You are not a Windows admin. Linux admin doesn't need that one. Okay, Vimlesh, how to get a Azure cloud job with no it background? With number of, I did not understand your Vimlesh question. How to get a Azure cloud job with no it background? I did. Please, can you elaborate your question more? Who is behind your confidence? What is the daily routine? What is the secret of your mental strength? Viresh, what is the? It's my journey only, Viresh. And the main secret is my focus. Okay, I keep on learning things. Okay, and the third thing is, it's going to be, obviously, when you'll be focused, you'll be learn. Okay, and when you learn something, you are going to grow, and when you grow, wealth is with you only. Okay, so risk taking. See, I have worked with almost 8 organization, Viresh. I have worked with on mobile, I have worked with HP, I have worked with Cognizant, I have worked with Oracle, I have worked with HCL, I have worked with Intuit also, I have worked with the Accenture. What else? So I have worked with service based company and the product based company both. Okay, but only key success you wanted to know, my Linux. Okay, that is what, this is why I'm keep putting so much of effort for you guys, that you guys should understand what is the strength. Various a straightforward question to you, what is the strength of a building? How you are going to make sure the building should be stand tall for next 100 year? Viresh, a straightforward question to you. Can you answer me this question, Viresh? Pillars. Pillars means what, Viresh? Foundation, right? So now you got the answer. So Linux is your foundation, Viresh. I hope you got my answer. I'll give you one example, Viresh. Just now somebody has asked me, sir, which tools and all they should. So I said, don't focus on a tool specific, right? So whether it's Ansible and all. Now you only tell me, suppose if you have to communicate between a Ansible controller to its slave, means to its agent nodes and all, multiple virtual machines from main Ansible. Okay, the main controller node, from where you are going to control all the nodes. If you have to communicate, what you are going to use, how you are going to communicate, through SSH only, Viresh, right? Through SSH only you are going to deploy the public key and private key. Now you go and see my Linux course, SSH authentication, that is also coming from Linux. Docker, if you have to install Docker, where you are going to install Docker, Viresh? On top of Linux operating system. So the container volume is going to map with host operating system volume only, right? Whose resources you are going to use? Linux only. Where you are going to run those commands? Linux only. Whether it's a Docker ps or you Docker execute, if you want to log in, correct, anything you can take it, it's coming from Linux. Just I'll, you know, this earth, right? Correct. Whether you do any kind of, you are putting a factory also, you are doing in this your in your planet only. Okay, just take it our own country. Like we say, this country is our mother, right? So according to me, Linux is like, I we call that, who is the father of Linux? Linus Torvald. But I say it's a mother to me. This is my confidence, Viresh. Okay, so fine. Guys, hi sir, thanks for your interview videos. Yes, it's going to be more and more, Mr. Canonical. Okay, it's going to be more and more. Okay, don't worry, I have only done very less, because I am a genuine person. I regularly taking interviews. Okay, those are the real time questions only. Same way AWS interview questions will be coming. Those interviews will be there. Same way DevOps interviews I am ready to take. You come, I am ready to take your interview. Okay, so Uh, Divya, hi sir. Already I have taken your course. Okay, interview 200. Okay, fine. So I believe the genuine person who share his knowledge and his skills, which helps the student to get the job in IT. Yes, that is what my aim is. Okay, and for that I am asking a small help from you guys. What is that help? Okay, I am not charging so much from you. Who is you? Only from that course only you can understand, right? People are selling 10,000, 5,000 of that course, but I am charging triple nine with all those services free, because I also need some, right? If I am putting my complete effort for 24 into 7, you guys, right, for you only, so how I am going to feed myself? I am honest. Nothing wrong with that one, nothing is coming free, all of you know, right? But what my thinking is that it should be a reasonable. Okay, it should be under everyone radar. Everybody should be able to buy it. And at the same time, I am asking you, please go ahead and subscribe my channel. Okay, then only I should be able to put my effort, correct? Anyways, guys, so Mallikarjun, hi sir, I am having 8 years of experience into Windows admin and wanted to change the domain, facing difficulties. Why interview, please suggest. Please go ahead and join my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. I'll take your mock interview, and according to that I'll suggest you that. And then first you need to prepare. Okay, then I'll see that where exactly you are standing. I'll help you to prepare your resume. Guys, there are some more good news are coming soon, but I need support from you, which nobody is going to provide you. Okay, so I cannot tell you publicly those things. This is a public platform, right? So once you connect with me, I am ready to help you at any level. Okay, try to understand me. But either you have to join my career counseling, and once you, if you want to join my career counseling, then you have to buy the course, or you can join my channel membership also. There also you can do it. Both the ways you can, guys can connect with me, because there are few things which I cannot talk publicly. Okay, I'm ready to help you, Mallikarjun. I understand where, in what situation you are. Okay, so fine, guys. Hi sir, I diverted mine to move into Linux from Windows Server. Very good option, Dhaneshwar Kambal. Okay, this is a good thing, because previously also told you, again I am telling you, almost 95% of the servers are running on a Linux operating system. Saurabh sir, currently working as a picker packer, and I am seeing your advice on what should be my first job profit after IT corporate bootcamp to be DevOps engineer. Again, first I need to connect with you, Saurav, and I need to see that whether you should be able to go for a DevOps role or a Linux role or a SRE role, because for everyone I give a different suggestion after evaluating that person. After evaluating, then only I give suggestion. Doctor cannot give you suggestion directly, right? If you have a stomach pain, then I have to diagnose you properly. Same way, I don't give any false promises and all, okay, until unless I diagnose you, Saurabh. I need to understand for that role only. So I need to understand which role you are going to fit for. I am going to suggest you that only. I cannot tell you because you have written DevOps engineer. No, I cannot tell something which is going to give you happiness for 1 or 2 seconds. No, it should be for long. If you have to get a happiness, then happy for next 25 years, Saurabh. My suggestion will be like that only. Okay. So, Jemu, what will be you cover in the course, sir, in the new in this field? Okay. So, Jemu, please go with this my website. Okay. There, just click on course content. In that course content, I said complete Linux administration is there with real time project. Complete uh, shell scripting is there with real time project. Complete AWS is there with real time project. Complete DevOps tools is there. Automation tool will be there. Monitoring tool will be there, and then 3 migration project. That a migration project only is going to cover everything for you guys. Okay. So let's take, sir, I have a career gap, what should I do? Just now I have put a video into that one. Please go through that career counseling, you will get your answer. Please don't, why you guys are so demotivated, guys? I did not understand. Okay, no need to get, just remove this a failure guy and all. Okay, just mention your name. What is wrong with your name? Accept, start accepting things. Failure is the good. You are getting fail, according to me. I'll give you a very strong example of that one. Okay, you know the derby race, right? So what a jockey will do, he'll start hitting that horse with full. If that horse has to run faster, he start beating him, right? So the horse will run faster. He did not understand why he's beating me, why he's beating me. He's just running fast and fast and fast, right? The horse, correct? So you know, God is like that only. Whoever you worship, your God, your Allah, your or anyone. Okay, I am not. So God is like that only, guys. When He is put you in trouble, you should not. You, that is the testing period for you. It's like that only. Life is not very smooth. Who gets? You only tell me. Honestly, I am telling you. If a day will be there, night will be there. Another day is coming, waiting for you. Okay. So, and it's totally depends upon your practice, guys. Totally your practice. Okay, why you guys don't, and see, make your, everything depends upon your willpower. Just take a place of 3 months, just take a place of 2 months. You are not going to talk to anyone, you are not going to go and do anything. You are going to put your 2 months, 3 months completely. Have you guys given your 100% any by chance? I am just talking 100%. Just use your every hour efficiently. Use for next 3 months. Learn and then see the result. Only I am telling you 3 months. I am not telling that go and vanish for 1 year. Only 3 months. Do more and more practice. You see, there is a, previously when I used to do this career counseling, I used to tell how much time and effort I was putting to learn something. So if you start thinking, no, the byproduct, so success is the byproduct. But first you have to build that product, right? What is the byproduct of milk? Butter, ghee, cheese, and all. Everything is very tasty, right? Correct. Nobody is thinking of milk, from where it's coming. You are thinking of the byproduct. Just think from where it's coming. Okay, guys, let me move on to Kya sir. Jemu, I think I have answered your question, Jemu. Sir, I have a career gap. I have answered your. क्या sir आप after 40 age IT company से निकाल देते हैं? Who told you, sir, of these things and all? No, the minimum now, most of the very authentic data I'm going to give you, Saurav. So in India, it's going to be like the age will be 60, or earlier it was like, now they have increased some 5 year and all. I don't know the exact the age limit and all. So it's going to be 55 to 60. Okay, US and all, in other their countries they work till 50, 55 and all. Okay, 60 also I have seen. I have worked with people who is having age of 60 and they are working as a technical guy. Okay, they're working with me only. Okay, so sir, can you post on a video about Red Hat exam? It's already two videos are there. I know that that series is going to continue. Don't worry about that one, Arvind. Okay, how to clear to get all the questions, I'm going to put it. Okay, I'm going to put that series. Don't all the questions. I was not getting time, guys. Okay, I'm trying each and every. I'm trying to fulfill everyone request, but the support I need it from you. If you wanted to support me, go ahead and buy my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, guys. Very honestly, I'm telling you. Okay. Another thing is subscribe my channel. That is what the support I need it from you. Okay, sir, Shreya Denge, sir, I am 2022 pass out fresher, and to make it career in Linux, please suggest how to get this job. 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. Any doubt, anything, please come to me. Please ask me. I'll help you for each and every step. Ranjan Kumar Sa, OS hardening videos and all. Nowadays, it's not working more, Ranjan, very honestly. Hardening, and because that is comes free, hardened templates and all, we used to do it in VMware. Okay. Now, hardening and all, there are very, means there is not much, I would say, it's there into that one, because now they will create scripts and all. Hardening, for that I'll create a script, I'll show you to you. There are some standards with some benchmark will be there, Ranjan. Okay, so that benchmark or those configuration will put it in a scripting, and will run that script. Okay, so one server you are going to harden, and that from that server only you are going to make a image of that one. That is a hardened template. So VMware we used to do it. Nowadays it's going to be your Docker images and all. Okay, but anyways, I am going to put a video like manual. Nobody is going to do it nowadays for hardening and all, Ranjan. Okay, so failure guy again, please change your name. Okay, sir, career gap, I have answered your question. Pillars, sir, hi sir, my name is Rishi. Thank you, Rishi, please. Okay, I have answered your question, Rishi Foundation. Again, you have asked the same, sir, I purchased 170 already uploaded, will you cover? I have already mentioned you guys, those who are confused that, so this question, please read my FAQ. I am very honest, I have put the FAQ. Okay, one second. Love Singh, right? Please read this one, Love Singh, what is written over here. So this is for everyone, not for Love Singh. Okay, because this is the doubt everyone is getting, and I am keep answering them, guys. Okay, I don't want to answer again and again. Love Singh, can you see here? Are you able to see my screen, Love Singh? Please tell me, are you able to see my screen? I told you I am going to block you guys. Okay, don't spam this one. Again, I am telling you, please don't put such kind of thing going forward, guys. Okay, I said use this platform to ask a genuine question. Okay, I can see now rest of the. Okay, I'll come to your question. Okay, so guys, please don't use this platform for something, otherwise it is going to now. YouTube is taking very strict against action against the community guideline is there, active community guideline is there. Okay, so I'm not sure there will be action against you if you put such kind of a thing. Okay, this is an educational platform. I am here to help everyone, right? Don't do such kind of a thing. Okay, so yeah, so guys, one second, I got derailed. Okay, so here you can see Love Singh. As you can see here, if you scroll down, so you see here Love Singh, can you see this one? So you can see, does this course have Linux administration complete? Yes. Okay, before purchasing only I have already asked the team to put these things. Okay, now the next thing, does this course have Linux shell scripting complete? Yes. Does this course have AWS complete? So why I don't see complete AWS video? So what answer I have given Love Singh here? The course is extensive. I am covering Linux administration, shell scripting, AWS, Devops tools, automation tool, monitoring tool, and real-time 3 migration projects. But this is everything into one comprehensive program. Okay. So far, the Linux administration shell scripting has been uploaded. Already started uploading the AWS content. Since the course material is detailed, it will take time to upload all the videos, because once I am finishing my live classes, from there only I am uploading the, today also I am going to upload one video which I have the class which I have finished yesterday. Like that I am uploading. Are you able to finish all 70 videos in a single day? So your approach should be, guys, first go ahead and learn. Okay, but for you only, everything is, nothing is hidden here. I am very transparent person. Okay, everything is in my website. You go and read it also. Does this course have automation tool? Yes. Why I don't see DevOps videos? Again, the same answer. Because still the course is not finished. Once it is finished, those will be, video will be uploaded over here. Correct? I hope, Love Singh, I am able to answer your question, right? So, guys, purchase your course. Zohas, how sir, Canada US people get job using course which is demand here? If someone want career change, which course will be helpful with zero IT experience? Again, so it's 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp only. Vrick Dikshit and Vrish Ketu Dikshit, sir, I have a gap of 3 years of, so as a fresher only, I need to go directly into DevOps role, or first should I join Linux admin and then DevOps? Again, I have given so many answer. You can check this one in my. So I would suggest again, Vrix Ketu Dikshit. Okay, let me connect with you. First, I see whether, if you don't have any knowledge about Linux, shell scripting, database, or cloud, my suggestion is don't go with 100%. You are not going to get the job. I don't want to give you any false promises over here. I am not like others. Okay, just to make you happy, just to throw you, just to push you, okay, to the lake, or somewhere in the sea, whether you don't know how to swim. Correct? Heartily thank you, Mr. Rishi. Okay, first of all, I'm not sure your name, sir. Can I give interview during my periods? What is this? I have reported you. Okay, now you will suffer. Okay, Mister. Sir, I have, Mr. Johnny Juneja. Sir, I have completed DevOps and how to get an opportunity of interview. Johnny. So, Johnny, I would request you, please connect with me for your career counseling. Let me evaluate you whether you are, uh, you can go for a DevOps interview or not. Okay, whether you are exactly, whether you should be able to answer all those DevOps questions which I am generally the questions which I use to ask to evaluate my candidates for my team, for my projects and all. So I am going to ask those DevOps interview question and answer. Before that, there are few things I just wanted to know from your end, Johnny, so that I can help you that whether you are going your you should be fit for DevOps role or not. Okay, according to that, I can suggest you. Sir Homita, hello sir. Which is the best automation tool to learn for Linux administration according to present market? Ansible, Homita. Okay, I am planning to restart my career after 9 years of gap. Thank you, Homita. Okay, so my suggestion is, Homita, that straightforward. There are so many automation tools are there. Okay, so one you can take it as a Ansible is also there, plus infrastructure as a automation means infrastructure as a code. For that to automate your infrastructure, Terraform is there, Homita. Another thing is that with the shell scripting you can automate, you can create scripts and all. Okay, but the main automation tool I have given you the answer. Okay, for infrastructure as a code nowadays it's Terraform, not the Cloud Formation. Cloud Formation is only used for AWS. So the Terraform is widely used across all the clouds and all. Okay, whether it's a AWS cloud, GCP cloud, or Azure cloud. Okay, any of the cloud. Okay, and finally your Ansible is there, that is there. So you can automate, you can use for patching activity also for Ansible. I have used in my previous organization. Okay, Mr. Gold, is a difference between DevOps and cloud computing and all. Okay, so I have already explained this one. Please go and listen to my videos, guys. Okay, now I am going to take all the questions are almost similar. Please go ahead and listen my previous live interview, live this live streaming and all. There I have explained these things and all. Okay, so sir, Linux study important PDF for study purpose. Tell me, sir, Linux study. Go with my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. You don't need a PDF and all. Various. So what is the future plan for your YouTube channel content? Okay, why you are so much of interested? As I told you very clearly, the channel content, it's going to cover each and every part of these operations, and that is what I call this operations and management. Okay, so now it's going to be Linux. Once I'll finish Linux, it's going to be your AWS only. Okay, and then I cannot reveal each and everything in front of you, Vires. This is something I'm not sure, right? Because either you are a competitor or whoever. So obviously nobody is going to open their cards in front of everyone, right? So it's going to be entire journey. So my channel, it's mainly it's going to be that the content will be mostly going to focus on operations and management, complete infrastructure. Okay, so that you should be able to sustain for next 20-25 years into this industry, guys. The content will be that only. Okay, so again, sir, I have purchased. Thank you, Rishi. As sir, just now I have purchased your course. Thank you, Rishi. I can understand. Yes, Jimu, thank you. Okay, I'm not sure. Yeah, though, just try, guys. Don't try. Everyone, don't try at once. I'm not sure. Yeah, it might be the website. Soon, I am going to come up with my app also. Okay, so my app will be coming soon. So, guys, one more thing. If you wanted to purchase, just take some time. You have till 12th of October. Okay, don't purchase because so many requests are coming at the same time. This is that reason that your request is getting failed. My request is that please try after some time, or you can try tomorrow also. Till before 12th of October you should try it out. Okay, so how to connect to 100 days of boot camp live classes? I have already answered this question, sir. Okay, Mallikarjun, okay, again, hi sir, working in BPO. Okay, back. Okay, guys, I can see that I have covered most of the questions, guys. Right, and hope I am able to answer because I have connected almost 8:30. I have crossed more than 1 hour. Right, it's almost 1 hour 13 minutes since it's a weekend for you, for me also. Right, so just enjoy your weekend, guys. Again. My request is, if you want to support me, then support my website. I'm not charging so much because you are going to get everything into a single plate, but only for first 500 candidates. Okay, So where I'm giving all the services free, whether it's a career counseling, mock interview, resume preparation, referral to organization, 24 into 7 video support. There are other stuff also which I cannot tell you publicly. I'm ready to help you, very honestly. I'm telling you, I'm a very transparent person. Plus you are going to get a course which is you are not going to get anywhere with that price. That is, I can challenge on that one with full confidence. Okay. Another thing, because people are getting jobs from there, right? Now the next thing is, please support, please share my channel to more and more people, and subscribe the channel. Support me. If you want to support me, then subscribe the channel. Press the all notification for all latest notification, guys. Okay. So I hope I'm able to answer to most of the questions today, guys, right? And going forward from the next live session, if you also want to clear your doubts, anything, okay, then subscribe my channel. You should be able to write your questions over here. I have answered each and every question, guys. Okay. One question only I have missed it. I know. At last, I can see somebody has asked, right? At last. So I'll take it. You can come into the next live session. I request you. So, guys, thank you for joining this live session. I hope I am able to clear most of your doubts and all. Till then, just take care of yourself, your loved one. Bye bye, and Jai Hind, guys.